Hello, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to switch storage to SD card on your DJI Osmo 360. To switch storage to SD card, you need to have the SD card insert it, then slide down from the top of your screen, go to the right and go to the SD card. Now you can see my SD card is full. I have some issues with the SD card and I can't format it for some reason, but you should be able to click on it, then click on confirm. But you can see my SD card is full, so there's some problem. Also, if your SD card is full but it's not broken, then you should be able to go to storage, then format SD card and slide. You can see in my case it says formatting was successful, but it still says full, but it's just my SD card. In your case it should be working, and you should be able to select whether you want to use SD card or internal storage. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.